Good morning. I've carefully reviewed the results of your overnight sleep study, and I'd like to explain them in detail today so you fully understand what's going on with your health.
醫生早晨，我一直好緊張等結果，因為我多年嚟成日都覺得攰，真係想知背後真正嘅原因。
The study confirmed that you have moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea. On average, your breathing stopped about 30 times per hour, which is very significant. Imagine waking up 30 times every hour, even if you don't remember it. It prevents your brain and body from ever reaching deep, restorative sleep.
我之前擔心係大腦有問題，但知道同睡眠窒息有關，雖然都係幾恐怖，但至少有原因。
The good news is, we have effective treatment. The standard and most reliable therapy is using a CPAP machine, which delivers continuous air pressure through a mask to keep your airway open all night.
我聽過呼吸機，但係未見過實體。老實講，瞓覺時帶住部機喺面上面，聽落都幾唔舒服。
Many patients feel uncomfortable at first, but once they experience deeper, more refreshing sleep, they usually find it well worth it and quickly adapt.
呼吸機實際上係點運作？係唔係我戴上面罩，按個掣就得？
It's fairly simple. You put on the mask, the machine turns on either automatically when you breathe or with a power button, and then it delivers steady air pressure to prevent your airway from collapsing.
我每晚要戴幾耐先至有效？
You should wear it whenever you sleep, even if it's just a nap. Ideally, that means 6 to 8 hours every night, because even one night without it can bring your symptoms back.
我好清楚自己，如果成晚面上綁住部機，我一定瞓唔着。
I understand your concern. Many patients feel the same way at first, but surprisingly, once they try it and experience restful sleep, they often find they can fall asleep more easily than before.
部機可唔可以過安檢？
Absolutely. CPAP machines are considered medical devices, so airlines allow them as carry-on. I'll also give you a letter for travel if you ever need documentation.
我下個月會同屋企人去旅行，我想確保過機場嗰陣順利，你可唔可以幫我寫封證明信，以防安檢問到呼吸機？
Of course, I can prepare that letter for you. It's always good to have documentation ready when traveling with medical equipment. Where are you and your family planning to go for your vacation?
我哋會去中國探親，好多年冇見過佢哋，全家人都好期待。
That sounds wonderful. Where in China will you be visiting?
我哋會去廣東，因為大部分親戚都喺嗰度。
Ah, Guangdong. I've been there before. I love the food, especially the dim sum. Make sure you enjoy it while you're there, but also remember to keep using your CPAP every night, even on vacation.
係，呢個就係我哋最期待嘅嘢。我父母已經安排好第一日就一齊去飲茶，全家聚餐。你放心，我一定會每日晚上堅持用呼吸機。
Let's schedule follow-up visits. Usually, I like to see patients after 1 month to check progress, and then every few months. That way we can make sure the machine settings are perfect for you. If you ever have problems in between visits, you can call our office. We can adjust the settings or arrange for you to try a different mask.
好，多謝。